Welcome back to day 2 of coin counting. In front of me, you see a collection of coins. And the first thing I want you to notice is that there's 2 different types of coins in my collection. Over here, I have some thick and fat silver coins. Can you remember what they're called? These are called nickels. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So each of these nickels is worth 5 cents. Over here we have a different type of coin. Do you remember what it is? These are pennies. Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. What I'm going to show you today is that if you have a collection of coins that has nickels and pennies, you want to count the nickels first, and you're going to count your nickels by 5s. When you get to the end of your nickels and you start counting your pennies, pennies are only worth 1. So watch how I stop counting by 5s and I start counting by 1s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then I'm going to stop counting by 5s because those are not nickels anymore. Now I have pennies. If I think about the number 25 and I think about one more than 25, 1 more than 25 is 26, 27. So if you noticed, I was counting by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, stop, and then I counted on by 1s, 25, 26, 27. So the value of this collection of coins is 27 cents. So couple of things that I noticed. I noticed that I counted my nickels first by 5s, I drew a line, and then I counted my pennies by 1s. Let's go ahead and get our next coin collection ready. Okay, so once again, the nickels are first because we're going to count those by 5s, and after that comes the pennies. I want you to see if you can count the nickels along with me by 5s. We're going to stop counting by 5s when we get here, and then we're going to count on by 1s. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, stop. Now if I say 20 and I'm going to count by 1s, the next number I would say would be 21, 22, 23. So that means this collection of coins is worth 23 cents. Cool? All right. Now, you might be asking yourself, how can I practice this in my notebook at home? Well, some of you have learned some shorthand where you write the N for every nickel. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nickels here. And I have 2 pennies. I'm going to draw a line in between my nickels and my pennies. See if you can count your 5s in your head before I write it. Ready? Stop. Now we're going to count on by 1s. 25. Did you get it? Okay, 27 cents. Okay, let's go ahead and get our next one ready. Oh, I forgot to erase. This is going to be our last one. So if you're wanting to do this in your notebook, you can write your nickels, and for each nickel, I see 1, 2 nickels, 3 nickels, 4 nickels, 5 nickels, 6 nickels, and then I see 1 penny. See if you can do your count by 5s out loud before you see me write it. Stop! If I'm counting by 1s now, 1 more than 30 is going to be 31. So this coin collection is worth 31 cents. All right, that's all I've got for you today. We'll see you back here tomorrow with some dimes. Bye, guys.